And there was a sign saying paid parking, and
I'm confused about the signs in this parking lot.
I've been circling around.
Everyone loves parking in parking lots, but nobody likes to clean them. Do you like to clean your parking lot? Do you like to clean up after everybody that's been in your parking lot? Do you have a dirty parking lot? Is your parking lot dirty? Do parking patrons constantly make your parking lots dirty? And then you have to clean up after them. Have you tried conventional parking lot cleaning products and you found out that they're slow, they're expensive, and they don't really work? Hello friends, I'm Parker Parks, and I'm here to show you my new invention. I'm here to simplify your parking lot cleaning and save you money. What is wrong with cleaning up a parking lot? Is it hard? Is it easy? Have you ever had to clean a parking lot? Have you cleaned a parking lot with the wrong stuff and it takes forever? Have you tried conventional parking lot cleaning measures and they don't work? Stop. 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 I will save you money. Save you money. So let's talk about my invention. This is the PLC2000. The PLC2000! The PLC2000! The PLC2000! I am here to talk about parking lot cleaning and to save you money. It's a revolution that is sweeping the nation by anthropological mesoscale eruptions of precipitation. You probably thought that this cleaning solution for your parking lot would cost thousands, and you'd be right until now. Products like this retail for $2,000. Call now and get the PLC2000 for 3 easy payments of $99.99. Call now. Call now. Get on the phone now. Pick up the phone and dial. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your call. I'm waiting for your call. Call me. Call me. I'm waiting for your call. Hi, I'm Parker Parks, and I'm the inventor of the PLC2000. It's revolutionizing parking lot cleaning. It's the parking lot cleaning solution that you need, and I'm selling. This is the PLC2000. What do you think? You've seen it work. You need one. If you have a parking lot and it's dirty all the time, the PLC2000. Whenever you have a dirty parking lot, the PLC2000. You need a PLC2000. How are you going to get your parking lot cleaned without a PLC2000? Parking lots get cleaner with the PLC2000. Operators are standing by and sitting in their chairs and they got headsets on. They don't have to do this anymore. Call me. But wait, there's more. If you call in the next 15 microseconds, we will throw in for free the bucket 3000. That's right, the Bucket 3000. There's none other like the Bucket 3000. It's a one of a kind, and it's yours free if you'll only call me. Call me. Call me. Call me on the phone. Call now. Call now. Call now. Call me. We take all major credit cards and Bitcoin.